Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to drag audio Capcut. So first you just have to import the video here. So in order for you to add a music or audio here on your video, you just have to click this add music and then tap sounds. Now here under sounds feature you can simply search for a song related to the video or project you're making. So if you can see it in the recommended section, you can go to the search icon and then look for something like happy. Then you will see here tons of results for happy songs or audio. You just have to pick one, tap download right here, and then click the plus icon. So you will see the audio right here. Now, what we're going to do now is, or what I'm going to show you right now is the split effect, where you can split the audio right here, and each of the split part, you can add effects, you can do whatever you want. You can add audio effects. Also, same thing with the other part of the audio. So now I split the audio into three, and I can add an effect each of the audio I have separated. Okay, so also you can now delete a part of the audio which is unnecessary. It will not affect the first, second, or the other audio right here since you have separated or split each part of the video. So you can either delete, remove, or add effects, something like that. And another thing is that you can also trim the audio. If you want to trim the audio, if you want to use again all part of the audio, you just have to click this white portion right here from the first and beginning and then move it to the left and right side. Or you can make it shorten if you want. So basically, this is what we call trim. So again, you have two choices here. It's either you split the audio or trim the audio. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.